signs of pregnancy while breastfeeding. If you're breastfeeding your baby, you may experience something known as lactational amenorrhea, which means you don't get your period because you're breastfeeding. Your body produces the hormone prolactin to allow you to nurse, and that hormone suppresses estrogen. If you're having sex, getting pregnant is always a possibility, and that's something a lot of women don't realize. A woman can ovulate while she is breastfeeding, but sometimes it's difficult to detect, especially if she doesn't have a normal period. Since most women tend to look at their period as a monthly reminder that they're not pregnant, having no period, an infrequent one or a really light one due to breastfeeding can really mess with you. But even if your period isn't regular while you're breastfeeding, you can still get pregnant. You also ovulate before you get a period, which some women don't realize. Bottom line, you can get pregnant while you're breastfeeding, and it's crucial to be aware of that fact. There are a few signs that can tip you off when your period isn't in play, but it's a little harder than when you're not breastfeeding. You're wiped out. Pregnancy is tough on your body and it can make you feel tired, but it can be hard to know the difference between pregnancy-related fatigue and new mom tiredness. So just be mindful if you feel overly exhausted on top of other potential pregnancy symptoms. You're peeing more than usual. Extra blood flow to the developing fetus produces more urine in your kidneys, but don't look at this as your only pregnancy symptom. Breastfeeding often makes women thirsty because you tend to drink and pee more to replace the fluid you lose by feeding your baby. You feel nauseous. When you get pregnant, your body has a surge in the hormone human chorionic gonadotropin, and that can make you feel super sick. Your boobs are sore. Hormonal fluctuations of estrogen and progesterone cause breast tenderness, but this symptom is tricky given that you can also experience it with breastfeeding. While you can get pregnant while you're breastfeeding, you shouldn't panic over the risk, just be smart about using a backup. It's not incredibly common, but it can happen.